Hello, it's me here with the Black Rifle Coffee Company Espresso 300 milligrams triple shot 100% Colombian coffee caramel vanilla flavor, uh, naturally and artificially flavored coffee beverage, natural caffeine plus focus, veteran owned, at 1144 South 500 West, Salt Lake City, Utah. Proudly distributed by Black Rifle Coffee Company. Best served chilled or over ice. Well, it's been in the fridge, so 140 calories, 443 milliliters, 15 fluid ounce serving, one serving per container, 3% total fat, 13% saturated fat, 2% cholesterol, 12% sodium, 8% total carbohydrate, 4% fiber, 36% of your daily value of added sugars. That's not horrible, but 10% protein. You got 15% vitamin A, 15% vitamin E, 10% calcium, 6% potassium, 10%, or it's not 10, 100% vitamin C. Ingredients: we got Colombian coffee, water, coffee, non-fat, ultra-filtered milk, sugar, medium chain triglycerides. Something we don't see all the time. Natural and artificial flavor, contains caramel color, caramel, cellulose gel, cocoa processed with alkali, salt, ascorbic acid, sodium hydroxide, cellulose gum, carrageenan, L-arginine, L-glutamine, caffeine, sucralose, L-isoleucine, valine, I-leucine, vitamin E, DL-alpha, tocopherol, vitamin A, palmitate. Wow, holy fuck, this is like the most artificial shit in the world. Contains milk. Veteran owned. Black Rifle Coffee Company, serving coffee and culture, debatable, to people who love America. 300 milligrams natural caffeine, a freedom fuel, mission focus plus MCT oil, good source of protein, amino acids, 100% daily vitamin C. Experience BRCC at Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, I don't know, YouTube, blackriflecoffee.com. Join the club. Okay, so I have this flavor, and then I have another one. It's, I think, called like dark mocha or something. I think I'm gonna like the dark mocha more, but I figured I'd try this one first, the caramel vanilla. So I think that's it. We're just gonna dive on in. Yeah, my fingernails are long. All right. Smells caramel vanilla-y. Caramel is probably more up front, but that vanilla does come in a bit. Reminds me of gas station coffee syrups. Right, I'm gonna take a sip though. That's not horrible. I'm not huge on caramel in my coffee. I'm not a big fan of caramel based coffee beverages, but this one's all right. This one's not bad. Um, This always makes me think of like caramel popcorn, which I do enjoy quite a bit, but I don't enjoy drinking the flavor of caramel popcorn. Ah, pretty mild all around, actually. I was expecting it to be a bit more strong, mostly in the caramel department. But I'm getting vanilla mostly on the aftertaste. Uh, but both of them mix. There's not a very clear divide between the two flavors, and they're mixing fairly well. Um, I'm not getting too much of a coffee taste. Like it's in there, but it's incredibly subtle. Not bad. Not my favorite. Uh, I don't know how much better this is waking me up than a normal of the Black Rifle. Oh, I gotta say, since I'm talking about this shit, so I actually bought this like a week ago. I bought this one and the other one a week ago. Oh, actually, I think I talked about this. Yeah, I talked about this in the other video. But I looked all around at other gas stations after forgetting to take this with me from my friend's house. Could not find it. Like, I guess there was one gas station that was carrying it. I went to Harder House on Tuesday of this week, and I didn't know they had just Black Rifle coffee, but they had a couple things of the regular Black Rifle coffee, which I like. The mocha flavor is my preferred, and that's what I got. And uh, oh, sorry, but they didn't have any of these either. None of this espresso at 300 milligrams, whatever. It's not bad. Not bad. I expect espresso to be a lot more coffee up front and a lot more bitter. Um, Espressos are also actually like that fucking big. Like I don't know why this big thing is called the espresso, because this is also bigger than the regular cans of Black Rifle coffee. So is it just calling it that because it's supposed to have more caffeine? I don't know what the difference is, but it's good. Um, 6.4 out of 10, because why not? I don't know. That seems like a good number. Bye.